You may have seen paint protection film applied on cars, but few have witnessed how it's actually made. In this video, we take you inside the KOTINT factory to reveal the complete production journey of a high-performance TPU paint protection film. From raw materials to finished rolls, the whole process begins with the foundation. We evenly coat installation adhesive onto the release film. Think of it like spreading cream on a cake, smooth, even, with no gaps. Once coated, the film goes into the oven for drying, then laminated tightly with the TPU base film, setting a solid foundation for what follows. Next comes the repair layer, the key to protection. We use microgravure coating. Imagine drawing ultrafine lines on paper to achieve perfect uniformity. After drying, a PET protective film is laminated on top, adding another safeguard. At this point, the laminated film can't be used directly. A slitting machine trims off the non-coated edges, reducing the width from 1560 mm to 1524 mm, making it ready for application. Then comes curing. The film rests at 50 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. It's like letting dough rest. The molecular chains gradually align, stabilizing the structure for long-term reliability. And finally, rewinding and packaging. The film is rewound into 15-meter rolls or customized lengths for clients. After packaging, it's ready to be shipped worldwide, reaching customers everywhere. A TPU PPF is more than just film, it embodies every rigorous step from coating to curing. For our clients, that means receiving not just a roll of plastic, but a guarantee of quality they can count on. Follow us for more behind-the-scenes insights into TPU paint protection films and advanced manufacturing.